Hello everyone. My name is Sunita and I'm one of the co-founder of Kyemy.com. I am an IT professional and I am here in this IT industry for more than 15 years. I have really seen a lot of ups and downs in the IT industry and witnessed many situations which for now for many of the youngsters is just a story. But whatever we are observing right now is something that maybe not new to me. Uh, without wasting much of your time, I really want to share with you that how does Cami.com works. So, uh, as you might have seen our websites that whatever offerings do we have. So say for example, we do offer cloud computing, we offer coaching on database services, on Oracle Golden Gate, or on programming languages. So are how is the interaction going to happen from teachers to the students and also to the admin department? So, what will happen the moment you go ahead and enroll a course? You would be given access to all the course library. That means you will have access to the whole videos, you will have access to PDFs, handouts. So, whatever is taught in the video, you will have each step by step information available in the form of text that you can follow and practice the same thing on your computer. That means that when you are watching the video, you do not have to worry that you have not made this note, that note, and you have missed that step, and you have to wrote or note down everything in the notebook. So that is not required. You just have to stay attentive and you just have to make sure that you are in coordination with what you have in the handouts and what's being shown in the videos. Another thing is that when we are teaching everything, we do not say that it's not part of my curriculum. All right? That could be another thing that if I'm teaching Oracle database, I would say that okay, please do not ask a question related to DB2 or any other database. That does make sense, but whatever is part of Oracle database, and if your question is from Oracle database and if you are enrolled with that course, you have all the right to ask the question and the teacher would let you know the answer. um, so how is this interaction going to be? When you enroll for a course, you would go through the videos weekly. Once there is going to be one online class where your teacher would be available and you can ask your question to the teacher. Now all these classes, because this program is 24 by 7 and it's open to the world, so it could be a possibility when the online class is there, it's going to be, for one country it could be working hours, for another country it's going to be night time. So I would say that whenever you are enrolling yourself to a batch, please pay attention to the time that you have chosen for online class, and that is still switchable. If you, for example, if you miss it and you want to attend on another class, you can definitely go ahead and do that. And that is also another possibility that 1 hour may not be enough, so you still have an opportunity. You can write an email to the teacher and your teacher will get back to you with the answer. Now, coming to uh, as I said, how are we different? So, I have taken a lot of courses from many websites. Okay, few websites are there who offer videos. Few websites are there who offer online training mode, but there is the quality of training is not so good. They say we have this curriculum, so that does not work. When you are into IT industry, you have to stay relevant. There is nothing called a curriculum. Everything is the requirement and to stay relevant, and this in this industry, so which is very important. COVID updates, the whole program is completely online. That means you do not have to go to any physical location for any training, either to provide or to take. You have to stay home, stay safe. If you have a computer with you or if you have a mobile phone with you, you can download our app, you can go to our website and work and do the stuff that you need to do. You don't have to step out even for a second to do anything. The next thing is payment updates. So we do accept online payments through most of the banks, so which is also allowed. Another thing is on the discount part. So for example, if you are an early bird for any course, you would be given some discount. If you can make a group of 20 people, you will have special group discounts. Or if you are one person and you're bringing one person with you, then you will have a discount. Also to take these discounts, avail these discounts, you don't have to be enrolled with my institute. So say for example, if your name is Alex, okay, so Alex is one person who is not technical, but he knows many people who want to learn IT. So what he does is he reaches out to his friends and says that, hey, I know one institute and they are really good at teaching stuff. Why not you go ahead and enroll yourself? So what this person does is he refers 20 students to my institute. The moment he refers 20 students to us, he will earn 20,000 rupees. Now, the batch is of 20, so there would be some special batch discounts given to the batch as well. I find it really good because if somebody is making money and finding out a peace in their life, I think this is the best thing to do. I am kind of helping one person to have earnings in their home, and I find it really good. There are some special discounts for underprivileged people, and there is no such quota that okay 10%, 15%, or 20% people would be given that discount. It's purely based upon your talent. So if you are underprivileged and if you want to take those discounts into a particular area, so you let us know in which course you are interested, then we'll go ahead and take one test for you. If you pass that test, passing marks are not going to be very, very high. We'll not say that, okay, you take 90% or so. But genuinely, we want to find out that really you want to learn or not. And is it worth investing money on you? So we we would expect that at least you secure 50% marks in that particular test, and that test is definitely not going to be a rocket science kind of. It's going to be something that you observe in your day-to-day interaction with that particular topic. And so that's about the discounts. And coming to the future of the company, because this is right now it's just a startup, but we have a lot of plans to grow in many areas for which we might need some kind of developers also to work with us to help us make some homegrown products which we can offer to the rest of the world. So it's not that I want to attract you towards this institute, but this is one future. So if we see that that person is good, because you all would be under observation, and if you do well, maybe we'll offer you a job to work with us. Another thing is, just because I'm offering this, do not think it otherwise that it's some kind of offer given to us that you stay with this institute. It's just one part of it. We are enabling you to go out anywhere and secure a job. Do what you want to be. Do what you have always dreamt to be. So we would be giving best of the IT experienced guys who have really mastered in their field and have gained a lot of experience, and they would be um, teaching you to help you to grow further. Another thing is, in any industry, be it IT or be it anything else, there's a combination of knowledge, and there is something called the non-technical knowledge. Now the balance is almost 50-50. If few of the people who are already working, they would agree with me that you would see many people who have gone ahead, who have gone far, but they didn't have much technical knowledge. So there is something, that you guys need to brush up on uh, to be successful. It's just not technical, there are other aspects to it. So, based upon our experience, we would be sharing some knowledge with you, sharing some tips with you, that how you must conduct yourself, how you must show your knowledge. Sometimes showing your knowledge also doesn't help you. Trust me. If you are in a meeting of 20 people and you always keep talking, 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 which does not make sense to other people, then it's a kind of negative impression. Be rightful about choices of your words, and all those things would be taught as one of the complementary class once you finish our course that I would be taking. And um, and you'll be surprised actually that there are some silly mistakes that we all do, and because of that a person gets an impression about ourselves, and it takes our whole life to come out of that impression. uh, about this COVID situation, I really want everybody to be capable enough to earn money from home, be it teacher, be it IT professional, be it students, or anyone. When you do this course, you are enabled to do any job from work from home, as long as your company does not have any legal restrictions that you have to come physically to office. If they allow you, are you can do that job nicely. I can guarantee that. So, and this whole COVID time, everybody would be doing all the stuff from home. Nobody has to come to the physical locations. This is one good thing, that you know my teachers are working from home, students are also learning from home, my admin staff is also doing all the admin job from home. So I'm happy that at least I am contributing to the world economy in some way, by keeping people safe in their home, and still they are able to make money. Also, as you know, that there is a kind of crisis situation. Many people are losing their jobs because the company does not need you anymore. We are not doing this service, especially for IT people. They what they have is their knowledge, and knowledge is not dependent on physical location. As long as you have that knowledge in your brain, you are useful, and you can make many people around you enabled to do a brilliant job. So I'm really happy, and I really appreciate all my teachers who are working with me effortlessly, uh, tirelessly, to deliver what they must do. And there is no such restriction to them that they have to work these many hours. So they are making good money by working from home. They're earning from their company as well. They're earning from me as well. So I'm really kind of happy. So it's a journey for many people. So many of you would turn yourself from students to entrepreneur, from student to IT professional, or from IT professional to an entrepreneur, or to to IT professional plus entrepreneur. So I really wish all of you for a very, very good career ahead. You have made really a good choice by joining this institute, and I make sure that you all learn good. Any point of time, if you have any problem, email addresses are shared with you, phone numbers are shared with you. Each and every complaint is closely monitored by me. If you have any issue, do reach out to me and I will sort it out for you. Thank you very much and have a very great day ahead. Happy learning. Thank you very much.